is Audrey, and I'm going to be using vectors to explain how to get from one place to another. Now, as you can see here, I have a map of the US and an XY grid on top of it. So, let's say I want to get from Phoenix all the way to Montpelier, which is basically right across the whole grid. But also, I feel like making a few stops on the way at Wyoming, Iowa, and Kentucky. Now, I want to know what the overall trip distance would be, and if I had a path to take, this would probably be it using vectors. But I also want to know what the overall trip length would be. So these are the points in which they are. As you can see, Phoenix is not directly on an intersection of the cross lines, so that's negative 2.5, and neither is Montpelier, which is 5.5. And what you want to do is find the rise over run of two vectors, or of one vector between 2 points. For example, this one here is rise is 4.5 and the run is 2. Over here, the rise is negative 1, which means it doesn't rise, but it goes down, and the run is 3, and you get the point. So how would I use that to find the overall distance between Phoenix and Montpelier while also making stops on the way? Now the overall distance that we're finding is also called the resultant vector. And basically you can picture a vector from here, this point all the way to here, instead of 4 of them. So to get that, you'd want to take the rise over run of each vector from each point, and you want to add them together. So here 4.5 plus negative 1, etc. And then that would make a resultant vector of 5.5 over 9.5. That would look like this. So this is a resultant vector if I were to basically the overall distance of what I would take if I went from here and made a few stops and went all the way over here. And the resultant vector notation would be 5.5 over 9.5. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, and then run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.5. That is correct.